dropped, smacked, or sat on, whatever happened here, this MacBook Air M1 is in serious trouble. The screen, shattered. The back panel, dented. But don't worry, we're about to fix everything. Let's go. First step, detach the shattered display and bent casing. This part is tricky. MacBook displays have fragile connectors, and one wrong move could mean more repairs. But don't worry, we've got steady hands. Now we bring in the brand new upper panel. Fresh display? Check. No dents? Check. Perfect hinge alignment? Check. This MacBook is already looking brand new. Moment of truth, and it boots up perfectly. Screen? Crystal clear. Hinges? Smooth. This MacBook went from total wreck to brand new, and we didn't have to replace the entire laptop. MacBook screen smashed? Body dented? Don't panic. AppleDoc has you covered. We do premium repairs for premium devices. Need a fix? DM us now. Would you keep or sell this MacBook now? Comment below.